I gave myself a little challenge. Could I create and upload a book to Amazon in just 1 hour and actually make money from it? No writing, no design experience, no special software skills, just my laptop, one tool, and a curious mind. I kept it simple. I picked a book that people actually use every day. I designed it, uploaded it, and waited. And a few days later, I got my first sale. It wasn't a huge amount, but it proved something important. This actually works. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Organatic. Today I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I took, so you can try it too. We'll set up a passive income stream using print on demand with Amazon. It's quick, beginner friendly, and you can do it all from your laptop. Let's dive in. Let's talk about a smarter way to earn passive income. It's the kind of income that doesn't depend on your time or energy every single day. You create something once, put it online, and it can keep selling over and over again. Right now, thousands of people are doing exactly that with low-content books on Amazon. These include planners, journals, logbooks, puzzle books, or even password trackers. Simple, useful books that don't require you to write much or anything at all. The beauty of it, you don't need to be a designer, a writer, or a tech expert. You just need the right tool and a bit of time. I used Book Bolt to create my first book, and within a few days it sold. And that first sale wasn't just exciting, it was proof. Proof that you really can earn money from something you made once. Now you might be wondering, do people actually make money doing this? Yes, they do. Some earn a few $100s a month, others scale it to thousands. It all depends on how much time and effort you put in. Now imagine building a collection, 10, 20, maybe 50 simple books, each earning for you while you focus on other things. That's the kind of side hustle that fits into any lifestyle. So how does it all work? It's called print on demand, and here what makes it brilliant. You don't need to print, store or ship anything yourself. You create your book once, upload it to Amazon via KDP, and when a customer orders it, Amazon takes care of everything. Printing, shipping, even customer service. You don't invest in inventory, you don't pay upfront, and you don't need to be a professional writer or designer. This is exactly why it's perfect for beginners, and why it works especially well for low-content books. These books are evergreen. People use them every day and they don't go out of style. And once your book is live, it becomes a kind of digital asset with physical value. Something that keeps earning you money passively, sometimes for months or even years, with no ongoing effort. That's the power of Amazon's global marketplace. And that's why print on demand has become one of the easiest, most reliable ways to start earning income online. So let me show you how I found the idea for my first book, a password logbook. I didn't want to spend weeks researching or creating complicated content. I just wanted something simple that still sells well. That's where Book Bolt was a game changer. I started with a cloud tool inside Book Bolt. It shows you the top 100 best-selling low-content books on Amazon in different categories: planners, journals, puzzle books, logbooks. That's why I noticed something interesting. Password books were selling really well. It makes sense, right? Everyone has dozens of passwords these days. Email, streaming services, online shopping accounts. A lot of people still prefer to write them down in one place. So it's useful, evergreen, and not tied to any trend or season. Next, I used the keyword search tool. I typed in password logbook, and it showed me how many people are actually searching for it each month. I also saw related keywords like password book with tabs, internet password keeper, and discrete password organizer. That gave me ideas not just for the title, but also for how to design the cover and what to include inside. Another thing I checked was the competition score. Book Bolt helps you see if a niche is too crowded. Password books do have competition, but not all of them look good or use the best keywords. So I realized, if I make one that's clean, simple and easy to use, it can still stand out. And the best part, I didn't need to guess. Book Bolt gave me real data, so I felt confident moving forward. So once I saw that password books had strong demand, decent margins and low effort to create, I was ready to build my own. In the next step, I'll show you exactly how I created and customized my book, without writing a single sentence from scratch. Now that I knew what kind of book I wanted to make, a password logbook, it was time to actually create it. And trust me, I don't have any design background, but Book Bolt Studio made it incredibly simple. I started by creating a new project. I chose the standard 6x9 size, which is very popular for logbooks. Then I selected paperback and turned on the bleed setting. That just ensures the design prints all the way to the edge of each page. Inside the studio, the first thing I worked on was the interior. And this is my favorite part. I didn't have to design anything from scratch. Book Bolt already has a ready-to-use password tracker template. To find it, just look on the left side of the screen and open the templates library. You can scroll manually or just type password in the search bar to find it faster. You'll see a few options, for example, narrow or wide layouts. I picked the wide version, which includes fields like website, username, password. Then you decide where to place this template. You can apply it to all pages, just the first half, or customize it manually. In my case, I clicked Select All and then simply unselected the pages I didn't want the layout on. In just a few clicks, I had 100 pages ready to go. You can definitely mix layouts or add extra sections if you want, but I kept it simple for my first try. Next, I moved on to the cover. On the screen, the right side is the front cover and the left is the back. You can either design your own or use Pixabay, which is built right into Book Bolt. Here you can search for a clean, modern background, something discreet, since many buyers prefer password books that don't look too obvious. I decided to create my own, and my idea was quick and simple. First, I clicked on Elements and selected a simple rectangle. The great thing about this is that I could scale it to the necessary size and fill it with the color I needed. If you have a particular color in mind, like I did, you just insert the color code into that field, and that's it. So I covered the entire cover area with that rectangle and then added another white rectangle to create my design. After that, I inserted a padlock icon from a free database to symbolize the book's purpose. The only thing left to do was add my title, password organizer using a simple font. I centered everything and included the subtitle: Keep track of your logins, usernames and passwords. The full title was clear, practical and easy to find through search. Even if the design is minimal, you still want it to look polished and professional. What I also loved is that Book Bolt lets you preview the full book before downloading. I could scroll through every page and make sure everything looked perfect, nothing cut off and everything aligned. Alright, once I was happy with the project, I hit the download button. From the options that popped up, I selected the first one and chose download as a printed book. And just like that, Book Bolt swiftly generated the separate files for my book cover and interior. Super quick and easy. I genuinely enjoyed this step. These two files are precisely what you'll need to get your book published on Amazon KDP. Once my password book was finished, I headed over to Amazon KDP to publish it. First I clicked Create and selected Paperback. Then I filled in the basic details, the title of my book, a short description to help readers understand what it is, and I listed myself as the author. For categories, I picked ones that made the most sense for this type of book. In my case, I chose computers and reference. But you can explore and find the best fit for your niche. Next came the keywords. This helps Amazon know when and where to show your book in search results. I added terms like password keeper, internet logbook, and password journal. Just think about what someone might search for. After that, I uploaded the two files I created in Book Bolt, the interior PDF and the cover PDF. Amazon checks the files and gives you a preview tool to review your book. This is where you want to make sure everything looks good, that the margins are correct, nothing gets cut off, and your cover is aligned. Then I set the price. I chose $6.99, which gives me about $1.89 profit per sale. And the great thing, Amazon only prints a book when someone orders it. No upfront costs, no inventory needed. Finally, I hit publish. It took about 72 hours for Amazon to review and approve it. After that, my book was live and available for sale worldwide. And that's it, a simple way to turn your idea into a real product on Amazon and start earning passive income without any upfront investment. Creating my password book was easier than I thought. And seeing that first sale was such a great moment. If you'd like to try it too, I recommend Book Bolt. It made the whole process smooth from research to design to upload. You can also get 20% off any plan for life using this code. The link and details are in the video description. If you liked this video, please let me know by hitting the like button. And if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you next week. Bye bye!